see a window and all I can think about is, do you wanna fly with me? Do you wanna fly with me? I know it sounds crazy, but I can't find solid ground. So do you wanna fly with me? Do you wanna fly with me?
And I've been staring at this window for the past 11 hours, thinking of all the opportunities this window has to offer. From the 23rd floor in a filing cabinet in East Manhattan, the FDR is beautiful as I'm watching all the cars passing. Then a couple stars twinkle, so I started laughing. And then a couple walked by and they looked so happy. I booked this room at this place called The Last Resort. All my bags are packed, I got my jacket and my passport, and a first class ticket to the afterlife. You dig me? Now is you is or is you ain't with me? And I fully understand if you got other plans, but I can't see you hand in hand with another man. I've been on autopilot since we last spoke, and I don't wanna board this flight on a bad note. I want you to think about it, but either way I'm going. And if you really love me, then here's your chance to show it.
I see a window and all I can think about is, so do you wanna fly with me? Do you wanna fly with me? Oh, oh. I know it sounds crazy, but I can't find solid ground. So do you wanna fly with me? Do you wanna fly with me? Oh, oh. We'll live forever. They will write a novel about how you fly with me. Oh, oh. We'll live forever. They will write a novel about how you love me. So do you wanna?
She looked me dead in the eyes and took me by the hand, kissed me on my cheek and said, baby, listen, I understand. You don't have to leave. Plus I'm scared of heights, so just put down your luggage. Forget about this flight. You and I, you know we've been through a lot of things, but it's no reason to start tripping and arguing. She said you are my king, I placed the one above you, and I don't have to board a plane for me to show I love you. And all this talk about the afterlife is kinda creepy, so let's just go lay down and talk, I'm getting kinda sleepy. I kinda smiled, then we both walked to the window. I pulled it shut and started staring at the sky. I wiped a couple tears away, then we looked at each other, and I could see the stars twinkle in her eyes. I told her about the couple that I saw earlier. She said I'm sure they were cute, but they're no you and I.
I see a window